Escape and refresh. Understanding, get away for a bit. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about taking a break and finding some peace. Get away for a bit. If you've ever felt the need to temporarily escape your daily routine, this one's for you. Let's break it down and see how it can be used in everyday English. Get away for a bit is a phrase that suggests leaving your usual environment or taking a break from your regular activities, often for a short period. The word get away implies moving away from something, while for a bit indicates that the duration is temporary, usually for relaxation or a mental break. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether you're talking about taking a vacation, spending some time in nature, or just stepping out for a quick change of scenery. To understand how get away for a bit fits into everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. Personal use. I've been so stressed with work lately. I think I need to get away for a bit and recharge. Suggesting to others, you've been working non-stop on this project. Why not get away for a bit and come back refreshed? Planning a short trip. Let's get away for a bit this weekend. A short trip to the countryside would do us good. These examples show that the phrase can be used in both personal reflection and in advising others, highlighting its versatility in conversation. Taking time to get away for a bit isn't just about physical distance, it's also about mental health. This phrase underscores the importance of taking breaks, reducing stress, and preventing burnout. By stepping away from the pressures of daily life, even for a short while, we give ourselves the chance to rejuvenate, gain new perspectives, and return to our routines with renewed energy and motivation. We hope this exploration of get away for a bit has inspired you to recognize the value of taking breaks and how this simple phrase can be a powerful tool in managing stress and enhancing your well-being. Remember, stepping away for a bit isn't running away from your responsibilities. It's about taking care of yourself so you can face them with more clarity and strength. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.